final night of the cattle drive, and under the big tent is where everyone came to party together one last time. All the singers, all the poets who came along on the drive climbed up on stage to show off their talent, and the people loved it.
I propose the toast, and it goes like this. We drank to your health on cattle drives. We drank to your health in our home. We drank to your health so damn many times we've almost ruined our own.
A toast only seemed appropriate on this night. Many of these people who were strangers 4 days ago are now best of friends and are sad to see the drive coming to an end.
Just been a fun trip overall, and they really enjoyed themselves, and it got over too soon. I'm not ready to go home. I'd like to go for a couple more days anyway.
Everybody's been super. Montana must be full of super people.
Yeah, this comes from the big drive of 89.
Oh, Montana Red Eye. Yeah.
Right downtown. Take it back to Kansas with you.
Oh,
yeah, take it back to Kansas. Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
We're set. I've got over 1,000 pictures of this from day one.
The guy from Minnesota.
And his yesterday. My birthday today, and yesterday it was Dean's birthday.
The final night of the drive. Oh, what a friendly and wild night this should be. Along the trail, Paul Kenney reporting for the news station.